In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create and use multiple email addresses within a single Gmail account, so you can manage different identities without creating new accounts. First, go to Gmail and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then click on See All Settings. After that, go to the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down and click on Add another email address. Now, enter the email address you want to add. Make sure you type it correctly, including @gmail.com if needed. Click on Next and follow the instructions to confirm and add the email. Once added, go back and click on Compose, New Message. In the email window, click on the From field and you'll see a drop-down with all the email addresses you added. You can now select which email address you want to send from. And that's it. You can now manage and send emails from multiple addresses within one Gmail account easily.